Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to verify KYC in Casino Plus, so let's start. What is KYC? It's a method that you can prevent from fraud without compromising pass rates, ideal for both regulated and emerging markets. So you can verify it, as you can see, and it helps you a lot to prevent everything of risk. So how you can do it? Well, for most offline casinos it takes less than 1 minute to sign up. It takes another minute or so to deposit to casinos. So before you have to check the KYC. So when you first make a withdrawal request, it means that you have already made deposit to your casino balance and play real money games. Where things can start to get tricky with some casinos is when it comes making that first withdrawal. If you fail to KYC check for any reason, your money is stuck in the casino. So you have to consider first to check if you can verify your KYC. In the casino accept the verify, well, that's easy and it's very secure to continue playing the casino. Okay, so first the KYC will check the license authority includes first and last name, age verification to prevent underage gambling, and resident verification. So when you do it, well, you can start. Quite well check requests before withdrawals. You'll be surprised to see the casino requesting a KYC check before you have attempt to make your first withdrawal. This usually happens before you make a deposit over a certain threshold. So your accumulated deposit exceeds and threshold usually around 2,000 or current equivalent. Your total deposit exceeds a certain amount. Also, this is usually just about 2,000. So it's better to register, as you can see, first because if the casino is not legally, well, you can check that if they request the KYC it's legal, but if not requested, well, you have to be careful with that casino and when you deposit the money. But if they request it, well, you can start using it, and when you withdraw the money, well, that's easy to take off the money from the casino and continue playing there with secure. So that's how you can do it, guys. The KYC it's important, I think so. So it prevent you from many risks on the casinos online. So guys, I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video.